to embarrass me, especially the ushers. Those sort of people feel like they've arrived in this world.
I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, you make time that look good. Come here, cause it's love. Hold you for a night.
Hey guys, so we got a call to come pick up a package from Jumia. I ordered for my lapel mic and I didn't know that it was going to arrive so soon. I ordered for it on Friday and by Saturday afternoon by 1 p.m. it was ready for delivery, so I had to go pick it up. I ordered through a friend. I saw it on. I've been longing and craving or wishing to have a lapel mic so I can film my videos however and wherever I found myself. So this was my package and I just got to pick it up. I couldn't film from the house because it was an urgent cause. I just had to film from here and I'm going to show you guys how I unboxed this. From the title of this video you already know what it's all about. And then I went to church. I didn't really have much content. I couldn't film much about the church entrance and all of that. Okay, so I guess you guys will just sit back, relax and really enjoy this video. So at this point I was telling my friend to film how what he made me do. He gave me an oversized slippers to wear. Who does that? Telling me that it fits my leg. And then it started raining. We had to stop by at the first station to allow the rain to stop before heading back to the house. See oversized slippers, is it good? However guys, I'll just allow you guys to watch the video and then let's dive right into it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another interesting video with Anabe's Kitchen and Bake. So I ordered for this lapel mic from Jumia. It's their Black Friday. It's Jumia Black Friday, so I ordered for a friend. I've long been craving for this, so I just decided to open this vlog so I could unbox this with you guys. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time, you're welcome to Anabe's Kitchen and Bake. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're not subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button below to like, to share, and to comment when I upload a new video. I'm super excited because I've been craving for this. Gosh, every time I keep procrastinating, so don't forget I'm still in Lagos. This delivery was sweet. Like, I ordered yesterday Friday and I got it today, being Saturday. See my mic. Where is this? See my mic. My mic is here. I don't know if you guys can see this. I got it, so it's sealed. Let's unbox this together. Oh no. It's a wireless mic. Wireless mic. So I've actually been craving for this. So for a very good recording. Wow, this is a double mic for 10,000 naira. It's 9,000 naira. This is double, and this double, whoops, like, oh my gosh, I was thinking it's going to come just in one. Oh wow, wow. So this is is it. I don't know what this is. Okay, I think this is for charging. This is the charger, and okay, this is how to take it out. It's double mic. It's doubled. Oh my gosh! So I just have this here, and then okay. So you guys, I don't know. I think I need to charge this a little bit before I can use it. But see, I actually don't know that this is going to be a double mic, because this double mic, I've actually priced it from a vendor and they told me it's about 18,000 naira for this double mic, and buying it from Jumia for just 9,000 something, I think 9,100 and something naira or so on Jumia Black Friday. Gosh, like I can't hold my. So this, I'm gonna be having my. So okay guys, see, I'm going to charge this and then we'll come back and see and work on it and see if it's going to work. Okay, so guys, I've been able to charge this a little bit. Remember, we're still checking on our mic. I got this mic. This is my lapel mic. So I've charged it a little bit, and this is the manual. So let me just check this. My fan is on, so I'll just use this to know if it's working. Okay, so I have to connect this. I'm using an iPhone and I'm using my phone to record, so let me connect this and see if it's gonna work. Okay, and then this is on. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Annabe's Kitchen and Bake. If to my YouTube channel, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Okay, so let me just clip this. Hey guys, welcome back to Annabe's Kitchen, and we'll be going to market today. It's been me in this house and cooking. I've not actually gone out. I'm not really an outing kind of a person, so but I can't film when I go to the market. But I want to make something. I've been craving for, sorry for my light. I've actually been craving for beef curry sauce. So am I likely, I don't know, today or tomorrow, likely fix it up. So if I do, I'm going to carry you guys along of this. Alright, so for now, see you guys in my next video. Alright, how is it? I think it's like this. Yeah.
Things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, put my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci but the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sunday and I just got back from church with my friends. They have gone to work and we're having lunch. So I don't know why I didn't come with my tripod stand. It's really affecting my videos, and because I'm trying to find a specific space to always drop my phone to film and all that, and it has resulted to me always using my front camera, but right now I'm using my back camera though. So I just got back from church, and I thought I could film how big this church is. This church is actually big, and it's at Ikeja. I've suddenly left this environment, this house. But though I didn't really walk around for me to know anywhere, it's just the church, and then some few junctions that I could easily locate the church in case of next time, and sorry, I have to be eating. And I went to Ikeja. The church is actually at Ikeja, and it's my first time. I went with my friend, and I had wanted to film how big the church is. The church is actually big, very very big, and I think it's Gospel Pillar International Church. Yes, it's massive. I had a glance on um Chinyere Wilfred and Sydney Tucker and few other actor there. Then I'm back. It's Sunday, so and I'm still on my mic, still making use of my mic, and I'm finding it really, really interesting. I don't need to stress my voice anymore to film or talk, and it's fine. So I like it, and I'm just after this, I'll cook. It's me. I'll be cleaning the house today. Since I came, I've not cleaned this house, so I'll be doing some thorough cleaning. After which, cooking, and then tomorrow is some outing date. I'm going to carry you guys along as well. I'm still in Lagos, so all the fun I plan to have, go out, shoot some videos with some YouTubers. We cancelled it because YouTube Short is actually holding an event on the 16th of this month, so we had to put it on hold. Probably after the event or next time we'll do that. So I don't think you guys will be expecting any video from me from Lagos YouTubers anymore, and I don't think I might even attend the show anymore because I have to go back and prepare for my service. I'll be going for youth service by the end of this month, so I really really don't have that much time, and I really really enjoy my stay here anyway. So but anyhow, I will still visit some few places and view. I couldn't film in the church or video how crowded the place was because I didn't want anybody to embarrass me, especially the ushers. Those set of people feel like they've arrived in this world. So I couldn't film. I just took some pictures and then came back. And secondly, the church is also under construction. I think they said, from the information I heard, they said they'll be launching or dedicating it today and all that. But I enjoyed the service. I enjoyed it. The preaching was nice and it sounded like my own church. So I like it. But anyway, let's see. I might probably film the rest of my day with you guys because this is just where I find my peace and comfort. Since I'm here, it's been me editing, posting back to back, and then eating, cooking. So see you guys. In case you've not subscribed, please do remember to hit the subscribe button, to like, share, and to comment. And to know when I upload a new video, you need to turn on your notification button to get notified when I upload any video. Okay, so this is Annabe's Kitchen and Bake. This is our YouTube channel. We do cooking, baking, and a little bit of lifestyle. Not all the time, but cooking comes always. And I promise you guys I will try as much as I could to keep up with this one till the end of the year. All right, I'm sorry, my sincere apologies. The next vlog you're going to watch could probably be my NYC service vlog. So for now, enjoy this Lagos vlog. All right, so bye and see you guys in my next video.
When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need.